Hello guys, Jai Hind. Welcome to S Online. Those candidates who wants to join Indian Army, then they have a golden chance to join Indian Army Technical Graduate Course TGC 144 and batch will start from January 2027. Let's see full detail. Age requirement is 20 to 27 year as on 1st of Jan 2027, open for unmarried male only. Okay. And educational qualification requirement is engineering degree in notified stream. It will mention after some time, that means it will available after some time. Okay, acceptable streams as listed here in this PDF. Vacancies 30 vacancies. Tentative may be changed as per the organization requirements, that means it is tentative, it may be vary. How to apply? You can apply through the website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in and application window will start from 13th of May 2026 to 11th of June 2026. Medical standard and selection process, date of publication, cut-off marks and all details is mentioned in this list. Okay, let's see full detail. Here it is mentioned. Applications are invited from eligible unmarried male only. Here it is mentioned in dark form, unmarried male engineer graduate 144 technical graduate course TGC 14 commencing in January 2027 at Indian Army IMA Dehradun for permanent commission in the Indian Army Military of Defense. Okay, nationality candidate must either be, here it is mentioned, India, Nepal, person origin from India but migrated from Pakistan, Burma, Sri Lanka and all other nationalities here mentioned. Age limit 20 to 27 as on 1st Jan 2027. Unmarried candidate not born earlier than 1st of Jan 2000 and not later than 1st of Jan 2007. Okay, so here age limit is also given. Minimum physical standard that a candidate must acquire before joining training academy are as follows. Activity 2.4 km run within 2.4 km run 10 minutes 30 seconds and it will available for you all. Push-ups 40 push-ups, pull-ups 6, sit-ups 30, squats 2 sets of 30 repetition. Okay, lunges 2 sets of 10 repetition. Swimming should know fundamental of swimming. So here physical standard is also available for you all. Okay, if you want to join then you have to go through this PDF. Educational qualification for applying BE, BTech, MSc Computer Science in notified engineering streams as listed under the para 3. We will see para 3. Okay. Candidates for final year appearing candidate who are studying in the final year of engineering degree course and have yet to pass the final year degree examination can also apply, and they will be required to submit proof of passing engineering degree examination along with mark sheet of all years or semester by 1st of Jan 2027 to TGC entry West Block 3rd. Here it is detail given, that means area address given. Okay, that means if you are pursuing your graduate and you are in final year, then you can also apply. Next is vacancies. It may be vary, that means total 129 vacancy will maybe vary. Core stream, here it is mentioned core engineering stream and engineering stream listed in detail and equivalent stream according to the AICTE approved, and total vacancies 8 for civil and engineering stream is also mentioned. Civil and all equivalent streams are mentioned, just like civil engineering, civil environmental engineering, civil engineering and planning, infrastructure engineering, technology, construction engineering and management, construction technology and management, architecture under architecture engineering, building construction and technology, building engineering and construction management, building and construction technology, all other post and their streams are mentioned, just like computer science and their post, that means their engineering stream equivalent stream is given. Next is electrical, electronics, and their stream and equivalent branches are mentioned. Mechanical, that means if you have electrical, mechanical, miscellaneous engineering streams, then you can also apply with your eligibility. Okay, let's see the next part, that is selection process. Selection procedure. The selection procedure is as follows: shortlisting of the application, integrated headquarters of the Ministry of Defence, Army Reserve the right to shortlist application based on the vacancies to call-off ratio for each engineering discipline or stream without assigning any reason. Okay, so here it is given. Selection of SSB. Candidate will be shortlisted based on their eligibility criteria and in a vacancy to call up ratio decided by recruiting directorate. And selection of SSB center and date. After shortlisting of application, candidate will have to log in the website, select their SSB center. 5 days SSB will conduct according to your area, according to your date and time. Okay, according to date which are available on the first come first serve basis. SSB center and date once selected will not be changed later. That means you have to fill your date carefully. Okay. The option of select SSB center and SSB date and candidate may be forfeited due to occurrence of any exceptional circumstances or events. Conduct of SSB, it will conduct in the various places. You have to select your date and your place for SSB. To go through this website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. Joining pre-commission training academy. That means candidate recommended by the SSB and declare medically fit will be issued joining letter. Okay, and you have to go through medical examination conducted by the Indian Army. Type of commission: grant commission, permanent commission, anti-date seniority, and training. Training will be the selected candidate will be detailed for training at IMA Dehradun according to their position in the final order of merit, engineering stream wise up to the number of available vacancies and subject to the meeting all eligibility criteria. Duration of training about 12 months. That means you have to go through 12 months training. And this is very, very important: marriage during training. Candidate will neither be allowed to marry during the period of your training, nor he be allowed to live with parents or guardian. Candidate must not marry until they complete the full training at the Indian Army Academy, Dehradun. A candidate, if marries while under training, shall be discharged and will be liable to refund all expenditure incurred on him by the government, by the Indian Army. The candidate who marries subsequent to the date of his application through successful at the Service Selection Board interview and medical examination will not be inducted for the training and his candidature will be cancelled. That means you have to be unmarried at the time duration of your interview and your SSB. After your training, you can also marry. Cost of training, here it is also given. Terms and condition: according to promotion criteria, lieutenant, you will be posted as the post of lieutenant. On commission, permanent commission, after then 2 years of your reckonable commission service, you will become captain, major, lieutenant colonel, and the final chief of army staff. Here all details are given according to the pay scale, pay level, and the scale also. So this is big advertisement, approximately 17 or 18 pages are in this PDF. You have to know something about that, means you have to know summary, which is very, very important for you all for this PDF, for this important application. Hostel subsidy, army group insurance. Yes, gentleman candidate, when the receipt of the stipend are insured for 1.25 crore as applicable to officers to the regular army subscriptions at the rate of 12,500 will have to be paid advanced on monthly basis. So here it is mentioned how to apply. Application will be only accepted online on website joinindianarmy.nic.in. Click on officer entry, apply login, and then click registration. You have to fill your detail. Registration is not required if registered on Join Indian Army. Okay, fill the online registration form after reading the details, after reading these instructions, and go and fill your all details and save and continue and final submit. Okay, so you have to fill your form within 30 minutes of closure of your application duration. Self-attested copies. You have to produce your all details, certificates, just like your date of birth, your permanent address related certificate, that means Aadhaar card, PAN card, ration card, and your educational certificate, your SC, ST, PWB, SC, ST certificate. So you have to produce your all reasonable certificate at the time duration of your SSB interview. Okay, all certificate in original to be carried by the candidate for SSB interview for verification. Original will be returned after verification at the Service Selection Board, SSB. So you have to produce, you have to carry your all important certificate. Merit list, here it is mentioned. It is to be noted that the qualifying at the SSB interview does not confirm final selection. Merit list will be prepared engineering stream subject wise on the basis of the marks obtained by the candidate at SSB interview. That means you have to be careful about your SSB interview, which will carry 5 days important for your life, and after joining your life will definitely change. Yes, it is also available in Hindi form. So this is the detail available in this PDF released by the Indian Army for those candidates who wants to join according to their eligibility criteria, your age, your educational qualification. So this is a golden opportunity for you all if you want to serve your country to join Indian Army. So tata, bye bye, Jai Hind to all of you. We will meet in next video.